A preliminary report on the use of dexamethasone in hospitalized patients with VOCID-19 showed that the drug reduces mortality among those who receive additional oxygen or mechanical ventilation, but not among those who do not need respiratory support. In general, steroids are recommended in accordance with the National Institutes of Health VOCID-19 treatment guidelines for patients who require additional oxygen or mechanical ventilation. 2020 as part of his own VOC-19 treatment. President Donald Trump has begun taking dexamethasone, a steroid that can help patients with severe disease. Following this announcement, several doctors expressed concern that Mr. Trump may return to the White House after he takes medicines such as dexamethasone and remdesivir. The doctors warned that early administration of the drug could undermine the immune system and aggravate the disease, raising questions about the prognosis and treatment of VIDOC-19 Trump. The White House medical unit consists of a team of doctors and nurses who assist in a private research facility, according to the news agency McClatchy VC. Therefore, doctors must be careful in prescribing dexamethasone at the appropriate time during VIDOC-19, usually after the first week of the disease. According to the authors, the Vicer received oxygen for an hour on Friday, after his oxygen level dropped briefly. His doctors said on Sunday, and his oxygen saturation dropped to 93%, allowing them to administer the dexamethasone dose. His doctors said he could continue receiving tinctures from the White House when he leaves the Walter Reed National Military Medical Center this week, but there is no evidence that dexamethasone has benefited patients who have not received respiratory support. The authors write in the New England Journal of Medicine, a total of 482 out of 2,104 patients, or 23 of patients who received dexamethasone, died within 28 days, compared to 26 of patients who received standard OVID-19 treatment but without steroids. In patients with severe VID-19, an overreaction of the immune system can lead to lung, heart and liver damage and death. In particular, the number of deaths was about 1/3 lower in those who used dexamethasone in mechanical ventilation and about 1/5 lower in those who used dexamethasone in oxygen therapy. On Sunday, White House doctors were optimistic about Trump's life signs and predictions. Over the weekend, several doctors expressed concerns about dexamethasone use, including possible side effects on the heart, liver and mind.